What's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video, and right now I'm shooting on the DJI Osmo Action. And to be honest, one of my absolute favorite things about this camera is the fact that you can attach it to pretty much any surface or any object that you like in order to create really amazing types of shots. So today I'm doing just that. I've mounted the camera on my windshield and I'm currently driving to a destination outside of the city to test out something a bit different. I wanted to mount the camera on my drone and see how the footage is going to look like, and I wanted to do that for a long time. I wanted to do it with my Insta360, but the accessories that I had were not compatible with my Mavic 2 Pro, so I decided against that idea. But now I will do it. I know it's a dangerous thing to do, so that's why I will be doing this outside of the city where there are no cars, no people. In case anything goes wrong, only the camera will suffer from that. So I'm really interested to see how this thing will work, and wish me luck. Hopefully I don't break the camera. So here we are on the location. We just arrived and I just mounted my Osmo Action with the curved adhesive mount on the Mavic 2 Pro. I don't think it's perfectly stable as of right now, but I'm trying to move it and it stays stable, so I'm gonna give it a go anyway. For the first test, I'm just going to go lower to the ground and just test if the camera is stable enough, and then if the results are good, I will go a bit higher and test more things. But for now, I will just point the camera forwards and I will compare the direct quality from the Mavic 2 Pro and the Osmo Action. So wish me luck, because I really don't know if this is going to work out, but let's check it out. So the first test was definitely successful. I noticed the drone was not very stable, but of course that's to be expected. But it managed to go about 100 meters high from the ground, and it was the camera is still mounted on the drone, so it didn't fall, and I'm happy about that. But now I will reverse the position of the Osmo Action so we can see from the front and from the back simultaneously. I think that's going to be very interesting, so let me do it very quickly and then we'll get back in the air. So the mission was success. Everything is in one piece and I'm happy with the results I got. One thing I noticed was the camera, the Osmo Action, I think from the movement of the drone, automatically moved just a bit higher, so it fell down a bit and recorded higher from the sky. So I think some shots might have been better if the camera was pointed just a bit lower to the ground, but it is a mistake that I did when I installed the camera. I didn't want to capture the body of the drone, so I raised it up just a bit. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think about the footage that I got from the Osmo Action and the one of the Mavic 2 Pro, and how do they compare against each other? Which one was better in your opinion? Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!